I'm just gonna ask you a few questions here, right? Questions that a lot of persons might want to know. And that first question is, how is it like being homeless in Grand Prairie?
Well, I wanted to try to find whether asking my friends to live. They said no, I can't do it because they're already got their own families to look after.
Yeah.
The rest of them said no.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So a lot of persons think that you choose to be homeless, right? Because there's so many government assistance in Canada and stuff like that. But what would you say to somebody who say that you choose to be homeless? Is that something that you'd say that?
Well, it's not really my choice. I was homeless. I got evicted from my place
Yeah.
about a month ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm guessing it's really hard, right?
After I got kicked out.